Here's a quick tutorial for the iPhone users. To set any background emoji on the iPhone for incoming calls. First, go to your phone app on your iPhone and find Contacts under the Contacts tab. Suppose I want to set up this contact. Tap on the Contact Photo and Poster option to open the Poseter creation screen. Or tap on Edit from the top right corner and tap on the Add Photo option. Customize existing poster or add a new. Select Memoji from the bottom poster type option. See different memojis, like this and this. Browse Memoji by scrolling down and select it. Otherwise, action your face to record Memoji and capture your facial expression Memoji. Tap on the record button and tap on Next from the top right corner. That's it. To change the background color, use the color option at the bottom left corner. Apple depth effect from the option given in the bottom right corner. Tap on Done and continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to save and apply an emoji picture called Memoji to a contact phone on an iPhone. That's it. In addition, you need to change more settings to see full-screen incoming calls instead of the banner appearing at the top. To change it, go to Settings and scroll to Apps. Now, find the phone and tap on the Incoming Calls option on the full screen. Select this and check now. Your incoming call will display on full screen. Let's test. I am calling this phone, and my iPhone shows an amazing screen. That's cool fun. Don't miss to like and share with your friends. Comment down below for more questions and help.